The power rating of an antenna, particularly in a multi-carrier transmitter combiner application, has traditionally been limited to the maximum continuous power that can be handled by the antenna. But in today's high-powered applications, the peak instantaneous power, or PIP rating, must be considered, since the higher modulation peak-to-average ratios of the latest generation of digital modulation schemes cause higher PIP levels. The PIP rating is actually a little misleading in terms of understanding its relevance as an antenna specification. The generalized heating effect of the power peaks is actually a lot less significant than that of the continuous power rating. What is significant, however, is the peak instantaneous voltage associated with the PIP rating. These are the peak voltages that occur when the individual voltage waveform peaks in a multi-carrier environment align in phase with each other periodically, and collectively result in significant peak voltage occurrences. These voltage peaks can be high enough to initiate arcing across vital junctions within certain antenna elements, ultimately causing component breakdowns at these junctions, resulting in premature antenna and therefore network failure. RFI performed a variety of tests using a multi-carrier signal generator operating into an attenuator as a load. Carrier power levels, the number of carriers, channel spacing and modulation schemes were all varied to obtain a broad spectrum of results, which you can view by accessing the white paper on our website. By analysing these results, a formula was derived to calculate the peak instantaneous power at the antenna and its corresponding peak voltage. It was found that peak voltages generated in multi-carrier networks can be in the order of kilovolts, and with typical channel spacing ranging from 300 kHz to 500 kHz, the interval between successive voltage peaks will range from 3.3 down to 2 microseconds respectively. Based on these results, it is evident that the significance of choosing PIP-rated antennas for mission-critical networks cannot be underestimated. This information has been brought to you by RFI, a key player in the development, manufacturing and distribution of wireless technology products since 1979.